Hi, this is Fran with Stampendous, and we've got a very fun gift card wallet cutting die set that is going to help us make this really fun make and take it project. And just to show you where we're going with this, you can see how the little wallet opens up and you can decorate it inside and out and secure your little gift card right inside the little cuts here. And so let's get started and we'll show you how it all comes together. So we're starting with the cutting die set that you can see here, and we've got lots of fun suggestions on the back, and it even ties in as well with the gift occasions cutting dies, and we've got a birthday numbers which allow you to personalize things. We're going to use our large cling with all of the words here. I've turned it over. I think the easiest way for this project is to leave it flat on the table, apply your ink all the way across, turn your paper upside down, burnish on the back, and make an imprint large enough for our die cut. And then using the largest die from the kit, we're going to position it so that the laugh lots words come right up here in the front. And this whole piece can then be die cut, and that will give you the cut around the outside and the score lines as well. And the little tab notches into place. I wanted to show you one of the most important things about this set. When you have long, narrow designs, especially like this one with the words, it makes a big difference to run it the long direction. And then all of your little pieces will fall out, giving you a very detailed little die cut. This coupon die, this curvy tag shape, can be used by itself. The inner die that you see here, I've taped them together. This one is going to die cut the little slots for my gift card, and you can use it separately, but if you're making it for a gift card, you might as well tape them together and run it through at the same time, and then you can cut your other ovals and your other pieces that you need to complete all of the pieces that we've used here for the little wallet. For the little stamped and colored panel, I wanted to show you how we've done a series of clear stamps to support the gift wallet. This one is the birthday gift. We have the grad gift. We have a wedding, but of course it can be for more than just wedding. We have a baby one. And we also have a coupon gift, which you'll see how some of these other elements are used all interactively. So I would suggest that you die cut this long panel, and then when you go to stamp on it, you can see how the different designs are going to fit in that little narrow panel. And the messages are designed to fit the oval. So you've got choices within each set to work with. And once you've done your stamping, you can, of course, color it any way that you like. And here's just a couple more variations that I did from the birthday and the graduation set. And in this case, I did my color work with my Copic markers. But of course, you can use color pencil, watercolor, whatever you prefer. To assemble all the pieces, of course, you've got your zip dry glue, and you've got your sticky squares if you want to pop things up. And I'll make a point of saying that for this panel, it's best to not glue down the two ends to make it easier to insert your gift card. And you can just tuck one in and bend the other corner to get your gift card into the middle. And that way you can then close it up and have it ready to go. Of course, I couldn't stop with just one, so I've made a series of other samples. And this one, I tied a nice little bow, and once that comes away, you can open it up and put your real gift card inside. With this one and another interesting color scheme, I made use of the little heart die, and it is so small that you might put a piece of tape on it so you don't lose it. And when you open it up, on this one, I did a fun little coupon and another panel that would allow you to write a personalized message as well. And the ribbons hold it together but allow you to take the coupon out. And on this one, I just experimented with using this as another little panel to personalize it on whatever you consider the front or the back of your little gift wallet. This one, I made the decorative panel on this side, and this was a double-sided print paper that worked really well. And the little die that has the two little tiny holes, again, put tape on it so that you don't lose it, but you can use it as you want on the curvy tag. Here's another one. I made this festive with the ribbons sticking out from the inside. And when you open it up, of course, you can use pieces in so many different ways. Here's another one that had a double-sided print that was a nice weight paper, and that made a really pretty option. This one, I liked the print on this side, and the inside of this one was plain. So I would suggest, while this is a heavyweight print, this one is a lightweight, and you should probably adhere the two together and then die cut it all at once. On this one, I used my watercolor paper, and I made a beautiful, just washes of color. I embossed some of the Frontage embossing powder and made a very rustic and very sturdy little gift wallet here. And with this one, I used a brad to put several coupons in, and you can do that any way you like and write a personalized message as well. Then I did this one as a card, and I still use the coupon holder for the gift card on the inside. And this one, I made an entire little coupon booklet, and I have just secured all of these different ones in here, and it is so fun, all the different ways that you can use those coupon messages, combine them different ways, add stars and hearts, and make a lot of very specialized little coupon books. So there you have a lot of fun ideas of ways that you can enjoy the gift card wallet dies and all of the gift stamps in clear that all coordinate and work together to give you many, many fun ideas. Have fun with it.